Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add background color to your Canva frames. This trick is perfect for adding personality and style to your designs, making them stand out. Let's dive in. Start by selecting the image you want to work with. Click on the uploaded photo or add one directly to your design. Next, click on the background remover tool from the top editing bar. This removes distractions, giving you a clean cutout of your subject. Now, go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for frames. Pick one that matches your design style and drag it onto your canvas. Right-click on your frame and select Duplicate. Drag the duplicate on top of the original so the two frames overlap. This layering creates a base for your background color effect. Drag your cutout image into the top frame and adjust the positioning so it fits neatly inside. Next, head back to Elements and search for color or background. Choose a colorful background you like, then drag it into the bottom frame beneath your image. Use the position option to send the background behind your image. This ensures the color shows through while keeping the subject in front. Finally, select the frames and image together and click Group. This locks everything in place so your layout stays consistent even if you move or resize it. And that's it. You now know how to add background color to Canva frames, making your designs more vibrant and professional with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.